Well, if you have plans to go out to dinner tonight or go out to shop some of those after Christmas sales, you're going to want to bring a coat because the showers are not completely done yet. As you can see, we're looking at more cloud cover moving into Boise, the Treasure Valley, and southwest Idaho all together, but there's a few raindrops that could still make their way into Boise. Snow showers are still going strong in the west central mountains for the time being. McCall has gotten 2 to 3 inches of snow so far over the course of the day today. Magic Valley still seeing a few lingering showers. By midnight tonight, we're looking at snow levels reaching the valley floors potentially. Now, our moisture is going to continue to get more and more limited. So just because our snow levels reach valley floors doesn't mean that it's going to be snowing on the valley floors. It depends on our precipitation. But tomorrow morning, it does look like there could be a little bit of precipitation falling in the Magic Valley. And because the snow levels are at valley floors at that point, it will fall as snow potentially. This looks like it could be a quick burst. It is possible that some flurries make their way into Boise and the Treasure Valley, although it doesn't look like extremely high chances. Our snow levels will stay this way at valley floor level until tomorrow afternoon. Things start to taper off in the higher elevations, scattered snow showers, if anything. Total amounts of snow would be very light tomorrow. There could be none or very minimal accumulation in anywhere under 5,000 feet and below. Tomorrow morning, our temperatures will be very cool. We have a cold front moving through tonight into tomorrow, so colder air is moving in. That's what's helping drop those snow levels. So Boise waking up to a low of 33 degrees. Finally, we're getting closer to that normal point for this time of year. Still not there yet, still a little warmer than normal, but we are seeing those temperatures drop. So Treasure Valley and Magic Valley waking up to the 30s, mountains waking up to the 20s tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, though, after that cold front has come through, we're not warming up very much. We're looking at a high of 39 degrees tomorrow in Boise. That will be a shock to the system considering today we were in the mid 50s, so prepare for a cold afternoon tomorrow. Lower Treasure Valley could be in the low 40s, Magic Valley, Twin Falls also going to be in the mid 30s, and then Stanley is only warming up a few degrees from their early morning low, so they will stay in the low 20s for their high tomorrow afternoon. It'll also be a windy day tomorrow. Today was a little breezy. Tomorrow we're expecting those winds to come on a little bit stronger, and it looks like they do unfortunately last the most of the day. Now our total snow amounts by tomorrow afternoon will range, of course, based on elevation, and because those snow showers are so scattered, it'll be hard to pinpoint exactly, but those higher elevations, 5,000 to 6,000 feet or so, those mountain towns could see anywhere from 3 to 6 inches generally. Now, we are going to be drying out by the time we get to Sunday, so those showers taper off through the end of 2025, which is Wednesday, as far as we can see right now. During this period, when we have all this sunshine, our air will stay very stagnant. We have a little bit of an inversion building, but look at those temperatures on Sunday, a low of 23 degrees, warming up to 35 degrees, so that cooler air finally moving in. We'll be right back after this break.